online class for kids.
Hey everyone! Today, I will teach you the parts of the house. A house. Let us say it again. House. There's the roof, door, window, chimney. Now, come with me. Let us look what's inside. Here is the living room. Say it again. Living room. In this room, you can watch TV, read books, study, or even play. Now we have the kitchen. Kitchen. This is where you can cook. Next is the dining room. It is usually near the kitchen. This is where you can eat your food. Bedroom. Bedroom. This is where we sleep. Bathroom. Bathroom. Sometimes this is called washroom. Usually, there is a shower, sink, and toilet. Playroom. Playroom. A room where you can play games and toys. Basement. Basement. It is below the ground floor. This is where you can stock different stuffs and even do the laundry or washing of clothes. Garage. Garage. This is where you can store car, motorcycle, or any vehicle. Let's take a look at the other parts of the house. Terrace. Terrace. Attic. Attic. Study room. Study room. Guest room. Guest room. Pool. Pool. Stairs. Stairs. Wall. Wall. Ceiling. Ceiling. Backyard. Backyard. Garden. Garden. Wow! That was a great job! Now, let's review. House. House. Door. Door. Windows. Windows. Chimney. Chimney. Living room. Living room. Kitchen. Kitchen. Bedroom. Bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. Playroom. Playroom. Garage. Garage. Basement. Basement. Terrace. Terrace. Attic. Attic. Guest room. Guest room. Pool. Pool. Stairs. Stairs. Wall. Wall. Ceiling. Ceiling. Backyard. Backyard. Garden. Garden. Study room. Study room. Dining room. Dining room.
See you next time! For more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe.